What's up, guys? Eternal Honda here, and we're taking a trip down to Paw Paw really quick to talk to one of my buddies. Girlfriend's wanted to go on a double date tonight, so go talk to him, make sure he's good because he doesn't get off work till 9. And again, we gotta go get gas because I never like to fill this thing up because that beast right there does like to just hog all my money. So, well, it's more than likely just gonna be the same route again that we've been taking, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit just because we're going to Walmart. Oh no, I didn't ride yesterday, so it feels so weird. Sorry, I had to put my visor down. Couldn't fucking. Just took like the wind cover off of the Chatterbox mic and I threw it on my mic that I was using for the GoPro to hopefully block out the rest of the wind noise, because I guess last video I had some friends on Facebook message me saying that it was a lot better. The 1080 60 frames per second was a lot better, and you know, just basic stuff like that. And yeah, I appreciate those comments, helps out a lot. Trying to make these videos as enjoyable as possible for you guys so you guys aren't as bored, but hopefully this little wind cover on the mic now will help out a little bit. This is the ugliest fucking bug ever. I don't know why you would ever put eyelashes on a car, especially pink ones. Ugh, disgusting. Alright. They all just came out of nowhere, so but the good part about this Chatterbox is, other than it weighing my head down to the left a lot, because my GoPro's over there too, is I can actually play music through those headphones that I have going in there. So, I mean, that's a plus, but I probably won't do it when I'm recording, which is all the time. And just because I don't want the music to get caught up into the mic and then all that fun junk. It's fucking hot as hell just sitting here. Alright, like I said, we're gonna go get gas first, so hop over here. I'm gonna cut the video out. That way we can get gas, and then I will be back with you guys in a minute. So, talk to you in a bit. settings on the Chatterbox. So sorry my hand blocked the view a little bit, but yeah. Alright, so I feel like this setup's gonna be the one that I stick with for a while now. Just because the last one it was pretty good and there was only a little bit of wind noise, so I figured hell, add a windscreen on and hopefully we get perfection. But usually with my luck, there's never fucking perfection, so I'll eventually figure it out, guys. Just bear with me and keep watching the videos and stuff. And I do have the Chatterbox on now, so I actually hear people if they do get on my channel. If I can figure out where the channel switch is. I want that one. I really gotta clean this visor off. Got so many fucking bugs all over it. he's a good friend. She's staring at me now. Still staring. Alright, another week with that. That was it. Like I said, fucking lights. At least this person has the decency to stay a little bit back. Like I'm playing like red light, green light with the most asshole kid ever, and he just does not want me to go anywhere. Keep your fucking distance, boy. Oh, it looks, I can't tell if it looks dark over there or not. Wait for this big fucking hoopty to get going. Fucking neutral. So fucking neutral's gonna be the death of one of these days. I don't know why, but that car, I feel really like that car's really shady. I don't know why. Anyway, that bastard is gonna turn. Wait for this person to get off my ass for sure. This fucking slant right here, though. Go with no. fucking up my turns so bad. I'm never looking through with them. Like that one I looked through with and like it went well. My other ones I just have to fix that. doesn't look too bad. Look at that sweet Mustang convertible though. Like when I get my tire replaced, I'll be able to take corners way better. If you guys, I don't think I've ever showed it before, but like it's pretty much bald. There's no tread. I'm surprised it's living this long. I mean, there's a little bit of side tread, which is what matters for turning, but hey, some bikers and a Golf. Back towards the storm again. Wonderful. It might rain, it might not. Let's pray for the best here. Not really pray, but not really the religious type. But, you know, you guys do you. Fell in that little crevice right there. Tire was going crazy. I want to be on this side of the crevice. I know as soon as I get to a stop, it's going to turn green. See? And it looks like there's a cop behind me. I don't know if it's a cop or not, but he's getting on my ass. Back off, fucker. I really hope that's not a cop because he's being a complete dick right now. dick bag. Fucker. Thank you for not hitting me. Alright, so there's Walmart. That's where my buddy Chris works. I wonder if I can find a park. Parking way out here in the boonies. Fuck that. Thought I usually parked over here. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe. We might park out here because. Here. Hope no D-bag knocks over my bike. Well, at least it's the van parking there. She got almost too close, remember? Yep.